The verb be, possessive adjectives.
What is your name? What's your name?
My name is Maria.
What is his name? What's his name?
His name is Ricardo.
What is her name? What's her name?
Her name is Yoko.
What are your names?
Our names are Maria and Jason.
What are their names?
Their names are Ricardo and Yoko.
Page 8. Exercise 2. Interactions. Spelling names.
Hello, my name is Donald Wang.
How do you spell your first name?
D-O-N-A-L-D.
And how do you spell your last name?
W-A-N-G.
Asking for spelling.
How do you spell your first name? How do you spell your last name?
3. Listening. Spell it. Part A. 1.
Hello, I'm Stephen Black.
Hello, Stephen. How do you spell your first name?
S-T-E-V-E-N.
2.
Hi, my name is Dina Brown.
Hello. How do you spell your first name?
It's D-E-N-A.
3.
Hello, my name is Carrie.
Kelly?
No, it's Carrie.
How do you spell that?
K-E-R-R-Y.
4.
What's your name?
It's Brian. B-R-Y-A-N.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Nice to meet you, too.
Part B. 1.
Hi. I'm George.
Hello, I'm Larry Winston.
Nice to meet you, Larry.
Nice to meet you too, George. What's your last name?
My last name? It's Lee. L-E-E.
2.
Good afternoon.
Hello,
My name is Susan Watkins.
Suzanne Watkins?
No, Susan. S-U-S-A-N. W-A-T-K-I-N-S.
3.
Good morning.
My name is Danny Young.
Danny Young?
Yes,
And how do you spell your name?
D-A-N-N-Y. Y-O-U-N-G.
Welcome to class, Danny.
4.
What's your name, please?
Karen Nelson.
How do you spell your name?
K-A-R-E-N. And Nelson. N-E-L-S-O-N.
Okay, Mrs. Nelson.
It's Miss, not Mrs.
5.
Hello,
Your name, please?
Paul Harris.
How do you spell your last name?
Harris.
What's your middle name, Paul?
My middle name? It's Jared. Jared.
6.
Good morning, class. Good morning. Welcome. My name is Ms. Fields. Fields.